testing and refining prompts for better results. Sometimes, a prompt might not give the desired result on the first try. In such cases, you can refine the prompt by adding more context or rephrasing it. Let's see how we can refine prompts step by step to get the best output from the AI. Output examples. Initial output, blockchain is a decentralized ledger system. Refined output, blockchain technology secures financial transactions by using cryptographic techniques to ensure transparency, immutability, and consensus among network participants.